Did you know that most cruise lines have some freebies, some discounts, and some perks that most people don't know about? I'm going to share all the secrets with you in this video. Hi there, I'm Ilana from the website lifewellcruise.com. Welcome back to my channel. Now, even though cruises are a really good value, who doesn't like to get a few things for free? And especially if you can get some discounts or some extra onboard credit or just some nice benefits. Well, why not? And some of these things are not necessarily obvious. So what I did recently, because I just love these kinds of things, is I did ask on my Facebook page, I asked real cruisers for the things that they think that most people don't know about that are actually free or discounted or basically some perks that cruise lines offer. So I have several cruise lines in this list. I'm going to share with you some of these perks and freebies are pretty small and others could add up to a fairly significant amount. Now, before I get started with this list, I have about 15 different items. I have a little bit of a favor to ask. If you have an item that was not mentioned in this list in this video, please let me know down in the comments below. I know it is going to help other people. I cannot wait to read the comments. And if you find this video helpful, informative, or enjoyable in any way, then please do give the video a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Okay, let's get started. Now, these are in no particular order, but I have a really big, good one to start off with. And this one is for MSC Cruises. MSC Cruises actually has a status match for your loyalty points. I think this one is absolutely fabulous and probably one of the reasons that I will be trying MSC, knowing that I can get the loyalty points that I have, like on Princess, for instance, I can get them on MSC. If you've ever taken advantage of the MSC status match, please let me know down in the comments below. Number 2, this is one of my favorites. When you go on celebrity cruises, as you do board your cruise ship, you're going to be offered a complimentary glass of champagne or sparkling wine, I guess it is, or a mimosa. I just find having that nice little drink at the beginning of your cruise, it's just such a nice special perk. Now, of course, if you do like free champagne, you can go to the art auction on the majority of cruise lines, and you can also get a free glass of sparkling wine or champagne. Number 3, now I have not personally verified this one. However, many people say that if you're on a Carnival cruise and if you go to the casino, they will give you a free lanyard. Please let me know if you've ever gotten a free lanyard on a Carnival cruise and if this works on any other cruise lines as well. Number 4, the discount on a specialty restaurant. Now, specialty restaurants, of course, are an extra, so it's not really something free. However, many cruise lines do offer a discount if you do book your specialty restaurant the very first night of your cruise. And sometimes you even have a discount on your bottle of wine as well. I have to say, personally, I don't like to eat in the specialty restaurant the first night, so I've never really taken advantage of this, but please let me know if you have. Number 4, the free items at guest services. Now, personally, I've never tried this before, but when I did ask this question, many people said that if you do go to guest services on your cruise ship, that oftentimes they have some different like free items that they will give guests. So that included a deck of cards, it included postcards, it included pens, and some other items as well. So this could be something kind of fun to get some souvenirs or even just that deck of cards. Why not? Number 5, free room service. Now, I really am a sucker for free room service. And some cruise lines that don't typically offer free room service do offer free room service for continental breakfast, and they don't exactly advertise it. So those cruise lines are Norwegian Cruise Line and Royal Caribbean. So definitely that could be something to take advantage of, especially if you have a shore excursion early in the morning time. This is something really good. But other cruise lines that include free room service, at least for a good part of the day, include Princess, include Carnival, and include Celebrity. I definitely love that. The refer a friend bonus. Now, to my knowledge, this is only with Princess Cruises, but basically the way this works is if you refer somebody to cruise with Princess that's never cruised with Princess before, they will get a $25 onboard credit on their cruise, and you will get a $25 onboard credit on your cruise. The military veterans onboard credit. Now, also with Princess Cruises, they do have an onboard credit, at least right now, where people that are veterans can get an additional onboard credit on their cruise. And some people said that they got $100 or more as an onboard credit. Now, I know other cruise lines also do have different military discounts. I don't know all of the details about it, so if you do, please let me know down in the comments below. Now, if you've cruised before, I know this is going to be old news for you. However, if you are a new cruiser, I know this is not necessarily obvious. And this is the fact that when you are in the main dining room, even though you'll see something like an appetizer, a main dish, and a dessert, you can actually order multiple items and it's all included. So you can order 2 appetizers, 2 main dishes, you can share items with somebody else. So it kind of is part of the fun of cruising, is trying out some of those different foods for free, if you will. Now, have you ever celebrated your birthday or a special occasion on a cruise? Well, there is a place that you can note that you are celebrating a special occasion in the cruise personalizer or the cruise planner or your online check-in. And in this way, your special day will be recognized on the cruise ship. However, I was told that when you are on a Disney cruise, and I usually don't talk about Disney much just because I haven't sailed on them really and probably won't, you never know. But in any case, something really special it seems that Disney does, I love this, is that if it's your special birthday, you will get a certificate signed by the captain and your room steward will actually make a cake for you out of towels in your cabin. The shareholder benefit. Now, personally, I really like this one, even though cruise line stocks are like down in the dumps right now. The one good thing is that when you do go on a cruise and you have 100 shares of the cruise line stock, you will be able to get the shareholder benefit, which is basically an onboard credit. So a 7-day cruise with most cruise lines equals $100 onboard credit. And even if you go on 2, 3, 5 cruises a year, you will be able to get this. You do need to own 100 shares of that company's stock. Free laundry on a cruise. Now, don't get too excited because it's not really free laundry on a cruise for everybody, but it is part of the loyalty programs on several different cruise lines as you get to those higher loyalty levels. Now, my understanding is this is on Carnival. I know it's definitely on Princess. Personally, I love this. There is a lot that I would do for free laundry on a cruise. And I believe a lot of the cruise lines, if they don't have free laundry the entire cruise, that you definitely can have like 1, 2, or even 3 bags of laundry. Tell me if you like that perk as much as I do. Now, do you love specialty coffee, especially specialty coffee without having to pay for it and without having to buy the coffee package? Well, I've been told that on Cunard, you do get specialty coffee for free after dinner in the main dining room. Celebrity Power Up Points. Now, this is a pretty cool program. So what you do need to do is you do have to sign up for the celebrity emails and you can earn loyalty points, basically these Power Up points, even when you are not cruising. Now, I'm not sure if you already need to be part of the Captain's Club, meaning that you would have had to already have cruised, or if it's enough just to sign up for their emails, or maybe sign up for their emails and already have a celebrity cruise booked. But definitely this is something really good. And some people have said that throughout the pandemic, they were doing these things that they needed to do for the Power Up points, and they actually were able to move up to a whole other loyalty level by earning these points. Free drinks and hors d'oeuvres at the past passenger party. Now, I think the majority of cruise lines do have some sort of past passenger party. Now, I know during the shutdown, a lot of cruise lines stopped these, but many of them have restarted them now. And during these past passenger parties that you'll be invited to, so keep a lookout for them. You'll often have wine or champagne or sparkling wine offered, and maybe a different cocktail or 2. So this is a nice time. If you don't already have the beverage package, maybe go in and pick up a free drink or 2. Now, if you enjoyed this video, you might enjoy this video all about the duty-free items and things that go on sale on a cruise that you might just want to buy on a cruise. Now, please let me know if you know of any other freebies and perks that cruise lines do offer. If you've taken advantage of any of the ones that I mentioned in this video, please let me know down in the comments below. Now, I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, please do give it a big thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. And please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Bye for now, and happy cruising.